Eva, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We're going to be late.
Oh no! My alarm! I think I stopped it in my sleep. I was up so late getting ready last night.
Jack, wake up!
5 more minutes, Mom.
No, today is the day. We are going to Japan.
Japan? Oh, yes! Let's go!
Welcome to DailyEnglishFlow.
Wow, what a crazy morning! Hi everyone, I'm Rachel. Today, Eva's family, the Millers, are starting their big trip to Japan from here in the Republic of Fluentia. For those worried about what to say when flying, this video is a perfect English guide. They are in a big hurry. Let's see if they can catch their flight.
I can't close my suitcase. It's too full.
Jack, you put too many toys in here. This is for clothes.
Don't worry, Jack. I'll help you. Phew! There we go.
Thank you, Eva.
I want to thank you too, Eva. You're a big help.
No problem. I woke up a little late, but I finished my packing last night. So I'm all set. I have plenty of time to help everyone.
Plenty of time? What does that mean?
It means a lot of time. I have no more work to do.
Oh, really? Thanks, Eva. Since you have plenty of time, can you call a taxi for us? To Flow City International Airport, please. As you can see, I'm a little busy with these heavy bags.
Me? On the phone? In English? Okay, you can do this, Eva. Focus.
Thank you for calling Flow City Taxi. How can I help you?
Hello. I need a taxi, please.
Sure. Where are you going?
To the airport. Flow City International, please.
What's your address?
168 Greenview Road.
Can I have your name and phone number?
My name is Eva. My phone number is 555-0159.
Got it. The taxi will arrive in 10 minutes. The driver will call you when he's outside.
He will call me? Okay, I understand. I'll wait for his call. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
I did it. Dad, the taxi is coming in 10 minutes.
Thank you, Eva. 10 minutes. Okay. Everyone, let's move.
10 minutes? I'm ready.
Don't forget your passports.
Oh, the driver is calling. Hello?
Hello, this is Flow City Taxi. I'm outside at 168 Greenview Road.
Okay, we are coming out now. Thank you. Everyone, the taxi is here. Let's go.
Hello, taxi for Eva?
Yes, we have a booking for the airport.
You got it. To Flow City International Airport, right? Hop in. Let me help you with your bags. All right, everyone in? Next stop, Flow City International Airport. Buckle up, everyone. Let's hit the road.
Yay! We're going!
Which airline are you flying with?
Fluentia Airlines.
Fluentia Airlines. Okay, that's Terminal 2.
Terminal 2? What does terminal mean?
It means the building. Each building is for different airlines.
Ah, okay. So, Fluentia Airlines is in Terminal 2. Got it.
Is it your first time flying?
Is it that obvious?
A little, but don't worry. You'll be fine.
I hope so. I'm a little nervous, but excited. Dad, what's our plan again? Where do we stop first?
First, we fly to Haneda Airport in Tokyo. Then, we go to Sapporo.
Oh, a connecting flight.
Connecting flight?
Yes, it means you change planes. You fly to Tokyo, then take another plane to Sapporo.
I see. I change planes in Tokyo, then continue to Sapporo. How long to the airport?
We'll arrive at the airport in about 25 minutes. It'll be 8:10. There's not much traffic today.
That's perfect. Our flight is at 10:30 a.m., so we are on time.
10:30? We have 2 hours. Why so early? We didn't need to leave this early.
Jack, for international flights, you should arrive 2 hours early.
2 hours early? Why?
Because check-in and security take a lot of time. For international flights, we need plenty of time for the long lines.
Oh, plenty of time. So it means we need a lot of time for the long lines, right?
Exactly. Good job, Jack.
It's better to be early and relax at the gate.
I hope the airport has good snacks.
Don't worry, there are many shops. We are almost there. Here we are, Terminal 2.
Thanks.
Great! We made it on time.
Make sure you have all your belongings. Don't forget your passports.
I have mine. Thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip to Japan.
Thank you. Bye.
They arrived at the airport safely. But the big challenge starts now. Can they check in smoothly? What should they say at the counter? Let's find out in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye for now.